Welcome back to Fun Fan Gamers. I finally got my Elder Scrolls crate. Let's see. On here, it looks like there's a map. Sea of Ghost, High Rock, and stuff like that. Different names. So I'm guessing this is going to be based on the online version of Elder Scrolls. This box cost $49.99. There's also a there's a Fallout version, which is $39.99, and there's also a Destiny version that's $49.99. So enough of waiting to it. Let's get into this big bad box. Hopefully this time we don't open it upside down like the last time. Sticker off. And which way does it want to open? Alright, opens towards you. Alright. Ooh. Looks like a statue, like a god statue. And right off the top, we got a nice t-shirt. It has Elder Scrolls embossed on the tag logo. And yep, like I said, it's Elder Scrolls Online, Flame of Albion. And on the back, we have some a dragon, a griffin, and a lion in a circle. Got Viking circle chasing each other. And also there's that logo. That's neatly done. Pretty good. Alright, move on to the next thing, which is a pen. Looks like a monkey, Elder Scrolls crate carbon pen. A monkey with a clairvoyant. I'm guessing it's like a demon or something like that. Let's see, I'll post like a photo over here on my left, probably your right. And every loot crate always comes with a pen. And there's also different loot crates, like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles loot crates and stuff like that. Not just gaming loot crates, but I just thought, since it's a gaming channel, we should probably have a gaming loot crate, since Kelly's been doing regular loot crates. It's like a pencil holder bag. It's probably a fancy word for it, but pencil carrier. It's like an Elven kind of design to it. Big zipper foot. And, it also has like the Elder Scrolls logos in there. Like Oblivion, and the Elven one, the Elven tree, stuff like that on the inside. See? Like I said, I'll post the photo and come over. And it comes with a nice carabiner, nice little bronze carabiner. Goes with the aesthetic. Carry pencils in that. There we go. Ooh, we got a box. Face of the Gods. Great. They made to our eyes be. I'll post that. Let's just open out. Let's see what's inside. It's like a little statue stand of a helmet, or maybe even a mask, like a face guard thing. looks like a vampire samurai kind of thing like that. Like in Skyrim, they had like the mass statues that came alive and stuff like that. Kind of looks like that. Alright. Let's get this big thing. Scrolls. Nice big box. Loot crate gamer. Let's see. Check this up. Alright. Oh. Now we got styrofoam to deal with. Ooh. Got like a bowl. So a bowl with some designs on there. There's a design on the inside. And then we got another bowl. Oh, looks like a rock troll kind of design on the side. Another glyph in the middle. Another bowl. It's another like a rock troll or something like that. Titan, probably. Cave design. And then we got another glyph. That's fine, huh? See if there's anything underneath this big bad boy. Oh shit. Doesn't look like it. Thanks for being a looter. We love you. You lootcrate. That's a barcode. Alright, well, I would probably keep it with that Elder Scrolls map on the front. Most loot crates. There it is. Let's get him away. Pull this stuff around. Another paper one. There we go. There's a guy on the inside. Got the little logo on the back. They smash in. Nope. Alright. Well, so what we got out of this. Look good. We got these interesting bowls. This cool pencil bar. Got this helmet dude. I hope I showed it up on camera. And got this interesting t-shirt. Alright. So, all these guys aren't cheap. And I know t-shirts are usually $25. Pencil holders, and that's well the design, because usually their zippers and stuff like that are cheap. Usually the foot doesn't go all the way over, so when you go to unzip it, it'll skip the zip and unthread with the teeth. So that's well done. So yeah, I would say it's worth it. So yeah, if you're into Skyrim or gaming, I choose Skyrim over Fallout because I'm more like medieval genre stuff, so I just went with Skyrim. Let's see, maybe we can get a better thumbnail with this guy. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. This guy might haunt me in my dreams or something. I don't know. But, oh, gee, yeah, I forgot the little monkey flinging pin thing. There we go. Alright. And Kelly should be doing another loot crate. I think it's like a Buffy vampire version or something like that. So she'll hit you guys up next time. So until then, want to protect yourself and be safe out there. And always, game on.